Welcome back, episode 17 of Daily Drives, and today I'm talking about making the best of your situation. So we all have this list of a million different things that we need to do, and we feel like we don't have enough time in the day. So we always, at the end of the day, we always have all these tasks that never get done, or it feels that way, and it goes day to day, and it feels like you can never really catch up on it. And so what making the best of your situation is about finding those opportunities of where you can start knocking those things off. So for example, like with the daily drives that I do, I have this drive that I do three and a half hours every few days, and I could just listen to the radio or music or something like that, or I could actually find a way to make it productive. So that's what I do. That's when I do these videos. That's when I listen to podcasts to help myself learn. And really what you need to do is just look for those opportunities. So whatever it is, whether you're laid over at an airport and you can start working on some job tasks that you need to get caught up on, you could look for a new fitness program online, whatever it is, it's all about just using that time and realizing that you have the opportunity not to waste that time and to actually make it into something productive.